Alright y'all, today we're going to be making a chicken garlic aioli parm stuffed croissants. For this we obviously have some chicken breast, we have some butter, we have some Parmesan cheese, we have some fresh chives, paprika, basil, parsley, mayonnaise, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil. And we are going to be using pre-made croissants. I was really looking forward to this video. I thought this video would be the one when I finally make croissants on the channel. But then the flu came in and hit me like a wrecking ball. And if you know how to bake, you know that baking when you're sick just sucks. So we're using the pre-made crescent rolls. Go ahead, if you have a crescent recipe, go ahead, make your own. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we've gone ahead, taken our 2 chicken breasts, put them in a baking sheet. Then we're just going to go ahead, hit that with a little bit of our basil, hit that with a little bit of our parsley, hit that with a little bit of our paprika. Spread it around. Now we're going to go ahead, put just a couple sliced tablespoons of butter on each one. Then we're going to go ahead and cover this. And throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our chicken is cooked for an hour. Now we need to go ahead and shred this chicken up. So let's move over to the counter. Now to shred this chicken, we're just simply going to take a couple forks. Alright, so once we have our chicken shredded, it's time to start making our aioli. We got 15 ounces of our mayonnaise. Now, I realize I left the garlic out on the ingredient list. That was an accident. But we do need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. We've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, about 1/4 cup of diced chives, then we're going to take 3 cups of shredded Parmesan. Now we just need to get this all well mixed up. Once we have it mixed up, we're going to go get our croissant dough. Now, if you're higher class than me, or just not sick, like I am, this won't be where you're going to cut your dough into rectangles. But if you're using the pre-made, like I happen to be, we're just going to go ahead and join these seams together. I'm going to take a scoopful of our filling. And we're going to close it up. Now rinse and repeat until we have all of ours done. Alright, once we have our tray ready to go, we're just going to hit these with some egg wash. Now completely optional, we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some sea salt on top of our little hot pockets. Now we're going to throw these in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our first hot pockets are out of the oven. I got 6 more in there. In total, this will make about 15 of these hot pockets. I promise you, one of these days, I will make a croissant video. It's got to get done. I'm going to look at the schedule, get it on there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe, and if you want to see anything made on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.